What is Internet of Things? IoT refers to the network of interconnected physical devices, vehicles, buildings, and other objects embedded with sensors, software, and network connectivity. These devices can collect and exchange data. Connectivity. IoT devices are equipped with communication technologies such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or cellular that enable them to connect to the Internet and to each other. Data collection. IoT devices collect various types of data from their surroundings using sensors. This data can include temperature, humidity, location, movement, and more. Interoperability. IoT aims for seamless integration and interoperability between devices and systems, allowing them to work together efficiently. Automation. IoT enables automation by allowing devices to communicate and make intelligent decisions based on the data they collect, without direct human intervention. Remote monitoring and control. IoT allows users to remotely monitor and control connected devices through the Internet. This is applicable to home automation, industrial processes, healthcare, and more. Applications. IoT finds applications in various industries, including smart homes, healthcare, wearable devices, agriculture, smart farming, transportation, connected cars, manufacturing, Industry 4.0, and more. Big data analytics. The massive amount of data generated by IoT devices can be analyzed using big data techniques to derive valuable insights, patterns, and trends. Security challenges. Security is a significant concern in IoT due to the interconnected nature of devices. Ensuring data privacy and protecting against unauthorized access are critical considerations. Scalability. IoT networks should be designed to scale easily as the number of connected devices increases. This is important for accommodating the growing ecosystem of IoT devices. Standardization. The development of standards is essential for ensuring compatibility and interoperability among various IoT devices and systems. Edge computing. With the increasing volume of data generated by IoT devices, there is a growing emphasis on processing data at the edge, closer to the source, to reduce latency and bandwidth usage. Energy efficiency. Many IoT devices operate on limited power sources, so energy efficiency is a crucial consideration in their design and implementation. Privacy concerns. As IoT devices gather and transmit sensitive data, concerns about user privacy and the ethical use of data have become prominent. Regulations and policies are evolving to address these concerns. Evolution. The IoT landscape is continuously evolving, with advancements in technology leading to new applications and possibilities for connected devices.